Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video looks at how to work the double decrease setup in inverted double knitted brioche. Inverted because I am creating my knit stitches with my pearl coloured yarn and my pearl stitches with my knit coloured yarn, and it's the kind of setup that you do in the row or round before where you want the actual decrease to appear, and this allows you to work blip-free decreases with ease. As always, because I am in inverted mode at the moment, my two yarns are at the back of the work lying over the top of the right needle, and here we go. Step one is insert the tip of the right needle purlwise into the front of the first, third and fifth stitches on the left hand needle, missing out the second and fourth stitches entirely. Then step two is slide the left needle out of all 5 of those stitches, and the second and fourth stitches will pop free at the back of the work. And before they have a chance to go anywhere, step 3 is slide the left needle back into them there. I like to give things a little tug there just to even up any tension discrepancies. And then you slip all 3 stitches with their yarn overs purlwise back from the left needle to the right. Now, using my pearl coloured yarn, step 5, I'm going to knit 1 stitch with its yarn over. Then I'm going to knit the next one with no yarn manoeuvres yet, and then the next one as well. So all 3 of the stitches which will be involved in the double decrease get knitted one after the other like that. Step 6 is bring both of the yarns to the front of the work, coming between the 2 needles. Then I take the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. The knit coloured yarn stays at the front, and with it I purl, so I'm purling with my knit coloured yarn, 1 stitch with its yarn over, a second stitch with its yarn over, and a third stitch with its yarn over there, making sure as I finish all of that that I maintain the position of that pearl coloured yarn over the top of the right needle. Then finally finish everything off by taking the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, also over the top of the right needle. And now you can see I've got my 3 adjacent knit stitches with their 1 shared blue yarn over next to my 3 adjacent blue pearl stitches with this, which is the yarn over that's currently in place over the top of them. 1 yarn over 3 stitches, and that is how you work the double decrease setup in inverted double knitted brioche. Zip!